Coming to you live from the Penske 16. Chris, say good morning.
Good morning.
Are you excited, buddy?
No, it's very hot, very tired.
Now, I know this year everybody was waiting for a big show truck build, a big SEMA truck build, Chris's pre-runner build.
Maybe next year,
But at the start of this year, I kind of had my goals set higher than just a vehicle build. Like, I knew this was going to be the year that we were going to make a ginormous next step in my life. So while some people were focused on doing truck builds, stuff like that, we were hunting. We've been hunting and hunting and hunting since the beginning of the year, looking for just the right property, somewhere with plenty of room that we can have all the toys that we want. You guys probably, noticed we bought some 110s recently, and that was in anticipation of purchasing what we're going to show you guys today. And it was time to grow. I think we're gonna grow, right, Chris? Wake up, man.
Oh man, it's hot.
You got air conditioner, man. The Penske 26 or
Penske 26
hold on,
sucks.
this is the Penske 16.
Okay, 16, whatever, man.
The Penske 16 gets it, bro.
No, it's not.
It is. Nah, this thing's actually not bad.
Hold on,
Oh, it was closed?
Yeah.
Yeah. Opening the vents help.
It was a little stuck.
I gotta say, for being a van, this thing actually got some power to it. I don't appreciate the guy before us that smoked in here because my allergies are killing me right now. So, ladies and gentlemen, after a long hunt, I want to personally welcome all of you to Rhino Ranch. Anything you want to say to the people?
What's up, guys?
You're about to be YouTube famous, buddy. We'll do a whole separate video on giving you guys a full tour of all the animals because there's a lot of them. Honestly, I don't even know how many there are. Chris, is that your new buddy? Hey, y'all relax. Relax. Oh, we got anarchy, Chris. Day one, we got anarchy. What's going on? Jeez. They actually do kick like that?
Hey man, watch out.
Now, what's up, buddy? I don't got no more food for you, man. Whoa, why we gotta put the horns down? So you guys know I've kind of taken you along with every big life event since I started filming YouTube, and this is by far the absolute biggest. One of the things I've always wanted is just a giant piece of property to do essentially whatever I wanted with no neighbors to complain. And well, I mean, you guys can see just the amount of acreage that we have. Honestly, I didn't think we'd go this big. I was looking at 3 acres. I was looking at 5 acres. I saw a couple that were 10 acres, but not a lot of it was usable. This blows all of that out of the water, and it is essentially all fully flat and usable. So I'll give you guys kind of the brief tour here before we start unloading the truck. But this is essentially the backyard area. We've got tons and tons and tons of covered patio. The entire house is surrounded in covered patios. Dogs are really gonna enjoy this. A nice fire pit area that is unfortunately a little bit taken over right now by some wasps. We're gonna have to get rid of those biggers. But what I like is this area is separate from the herd of animals. So like the actual domesticated animals get to hang out in here. They got a nice yard. There is an electric wire that runs all the way around here to keep the bigger animals out. They're all pretty well trained, so they know that this area is pretty much off limits. We got Chris. Howdy, neighbor. We got Mime Chris.
Welcome, come on in.
Oh, thanks, buddy. Dang, man, my camera's saying it's overheating already. It's a little warm out there on the ranch. Good thing is it's really cool in here, even without the air conditioning on. Let's crank this AC, though. Oh, welcome. Thank you. All right, I have no clue how to change this. Chris already looking for snacks in the fridge. Dude, they left you some string cheese in there, bro. Dude, look at that big old pantry. Chris, dude. Dang, man, how many snacks are we gonna fit in here?
A lot.
Woo! This is snack paradise right here. So I actually came and filmed this property a little over a month ago. Met up with Lyle, and I always said if there was a property that I knew I was going to actually put an offer on, I wasn't gonna show the initial walkthrough just because I didn't want to jinx it or anything like that. So I did film a whole walkthrough of this property when we first came to look at it, but I never posted it, and well, I guess my little superstition worked out. But anyways, we're in the kitchen, dining room, living room. Tons and tons and tons of built-ins, as you guys are gonna see. Like, the amount of built-ins on this thing is insane. It just keeps going. And then you get more built-ins and more built-ins. I don't think I've ever seen a property that has too much storage. This place has too much storage. I hear somebody whistling. All right, are you taking a poop?
Yeah.
Already?
Yeah.
You breaking in the new property?
Yeah.
Thought I'd be the first one to poop here, but I guess you can have the honor, Chris. All the rooms in this place are really, really, really big. This is like a guest bedroom / office, and again, just massive amount of built-ins. Like, anybody in the market for some built-ins? I'll take them out. That's a beautiful song, Chris. And then we've got my favorite, which is this awesome master bedroom, which is very big, and again, just insane amount of storage. And well, it looks like the last owner's kind of left in a hurry here, but you can see everything just opened up. And then we get the master bathroom, which has a pretty big shower. Ain't no travertine though, you know what I'm saying, guys? It's massive. Like, this is a good sized shower here. Doesn't have a separate pooper room. I don't know how I feel about that. Just the views here are killer all the way around. What's up, buddy? How's your poop? I'd go show you the bathroom Chris was just in, but we ain't gonna take that risk. One of the things I hate about going into a new house is trying to figure out all the weird stuff that was done before you were here. Like, there's just, I don't even know. There's outlets on wires, on cables, on holes in the wall, on more outlets, and the cameras in the bedroom.
Yikes.
Now, coming to the other wing of the house, you're gonna see this was a 3-car garage at one point. It has since been converted into living space. There is a full bathroom in here. This house has 2 water heaters, I guess because of how wide it is. What do you think, Chris? You ready? You ready, dude? We're gonna turn this into my gym?
Yeah.
I mean, hopefully. This might be a little too small for the gym. Again, this was a 3-car garage that was converted, but over here is what was another bedroom. This is like the single 1-car garage portion, with another big closet there. We might eventually just blow this whole wall out, make this whole area a gym, especially being that gyms are closed. You know, we'll start charging rent over here, or monthly dues to come to Rhino's gym. So the way the sale of this place took place was a little more complicated than your average sale, because obviously with the animals, you can't just like the old owners move out, we come in a couple days later or whenever we want to come in. But you smell bagels? Are you on the hunt for bagels?
No, you don't smell that? It smells like a bakery.
The old owners actually moved out last night. They gave the animals the last feeding, and then we came in this morning to feed them again.
So we got Wes and Steiner showing up, our moving crew for the day.
I ain't got no AC. It's hot. Where you want us to park?
Gravel gotta go.
Oh yeah, I'm throwing rocks at my damn car.
We need a concrete driveway.
Where's the bathroom in the mansion?
Did you just ask where the bathroom was? Bro,
Yeah.
bro, we got acres of bathroom.
There's women out here. I ain't trying to catch a charge.
Steiner's excited for
There's
the
a
animals.
whole bunch. Bro, that longhorn out there gonna get us. Oh, dude, different levels. It's multi-story. Oh, this ain't gonna work. It's only one shower head. That ain't gonna work for you.
No, we're gonna need extras.
Yeah.
He likes to point his head at you, so I don't think he's gonna try and spear you, but he might.
He might not be used to 4 big old dudes coming up on him. Big
Yeah.
wall.
He's friendly.
Oh, he looks scary. He just kind of soft though. Must be from California.
It's me. You know me. We went way back. Bro, these horns is too much.
Y'all speak the same language?
Yeah, we speak. Whoa, shit. He's coming out. Look at this thing. It's huge.
Steiner killed our first intruder.
Look at that. Donzo.
Donzo's, great work, Steiner. So we're starting to get the truck unloaded, getting all the furniture out. Whoa, don't be tearing the boxes. This is heavy duty.
That's too strong.
Yeah, we got lied to on the heavy duty, man. These are the worst boxes.
So we pretty much unloaded the box truck for the main house. We're gonna take the last of the stuff up to the garage on the guest house. Chris and Steiner are gonna go, I think, explore the property in the Jeep. Honestly, I haven't really explored this property much. So once we actually get like the golf cart or the 110s out here or something we can cruise around on, I'll go exploring. The guest house is pretty rad. It's got this really flourishing garden, as you can see going on. I don't even know what those are. Are those pumpkins? Something. And then we'll take you guys inside. This is where the old owner's nanny or caretaker for their kids used to live. Doesn't have a kitchen yet, but we're gonna end up building a little kitchen in here. We're gonna do a ton of stuff. You guys saw the main house. Like, that's not exactly my style. It's a little too rustic and ranchy. So we're gonna come in at some point and fully update the entire house. Place has a kind of a living room-ish area. We'll probably build a little kitchen here or in that other room over there. Good sized bedroom, and then just a nice small full bath. But you can see, I mean, giant ceilings in here. This was a barn at one point that they converted into the guest house. Cherokee Rhino here. You know, got the boys over here trying to
Move my big sub box so they can fit in the back seat.
Dude, this thing's got vape storage, custom.
Yeah, it fits perfect right there.
All right, where we going? We going this way?
No, well that was there before. Yeah, go that way. I'll tell you how to get around.
Yeah, give me
I'll tell you how to get
tour of
around.
my property.
Just keep going straight.
Is that wood?
Yeah, dude.
Bro, let's get a log
Nope.
splitter. We can start stacking wood and selling it. Log splitting business. People get like goddamn
Let me hold it.
$200 a cord.
Over here we got the tree house.
Y'all finna have fun on the other side with the dirt bikes on them couple hills.
We got trails all through here.
I took Chris this way, he got pissed. We had sticks all up in the Jeep.
You guys have explored the property more than I have.
You don't realize how much property you have. It's gonna take us 2 hours at 2 miles an hour. Me and Chris were like, Jesus.
All right, I ain't never been. I've
Bro,
never
this
been up
is
here.
400 acres, man. 400 acres.
I did it in 2, so don't get stuck.
All right, oh, we found the corner. We on the back 40 now.
We're coming up on the off-road
You
portion.
can't even
Oh, this is
fathom.
This is where it gets serious.
All
You
right.
can't even fathom it.
Dang, all right, he'll climb, he'll climb.
Increments right here.
I need to give me a ranch Jeep. Got the corrals over here, more pens for the animals.
We're gonna start breaking horses and training them and stuff out here. So
Yeah, I'm gonna get that lead rope and spin them in a circle.
buddy.
What's up, dude?
You having fun?
No. Never doing this again. This is it. This is my one and only.
Never say never.
Never say never. All right. Anybody wants to buy the ranch for a pretty penny, we'll do this again. Bro, we suck at moving, dude. This is like a real issue.
You sure? I think we're doing a great job.
I mean, every time I look, it doesn't look like we did nothing. I'm gonna race this Prius. You wanna race? Penske said, oh shit. Oh man, thought we're getting smoked by a Prius right now. This ain't good, man.
It's embarrassing.
I don't know how many gears this thing has. Let's try over here. I think the heat's getting to us, man. We're slowly losing Chris, who's hanging out the window right now. There you go, buddy. There you go.
Yeah.
Chris don't enjoy heat.
I hate heat.
We're on our second load of the day. Getting pretty good at this, Chris.
Like I said, I don't even work this hard at work.
But hey, we're making progress. One Penske 16.
are we though?
One Penske 16 at a
There's
time.
still a whole lot of shit left in your fucking house.
That's true.
Oh
dude.
my god.
Hey, put it back in gear, dude.
What's wrong, buddy? Why are you so excited?
Me and Chris are just driving. We're still in the Penske 16, by the way. We was driving down the road and I saw a camper on the side of the road. Giant sign of plywood that said $100. This thing's got a hitch. I think we're already like well beyond the capacity of this thing, but I think for $100, we might have ourselves a new camper. We got to turn around though. Penske 16 is a little hard to turn around these 2-lane roads.
Well, I like that. I like the chain you got on and everything.
I totally forgot I was wearing all this. Hey, we did some dress up today. I don't know what to tell you, you know? All right, yeah, doesn't look like a 2-inch ball. Hopefully there's enough tongue that we don't clip it on the lift gate here, but for $100, I don't really care.
Are you sure it's at 100?
Bro, there's like a 3x5 sheet of plywood with a giant 100 written on it. Now maybe they're just trying to bait us in.
Maybe 100 down and you pay the rest later.
I can assure you $100 might be too much for this trailer once we go back here. You missed it, but trust me. I should probably take all this jewelry off. We lose negotiating power when you got jewelry on.
We gotta negotiate $100.
Yeah! You'll never pay full price. Roll the window down, man. Oh man, they got people looking at it. Look at that, $100. Oh, it's got a flat tire. We can't tow it.
Is it sold? Not yet.
You got a tire for it? All right, y'all. Well, good luck. So we're on day 2. I kind of stopped filming day 1. We had a lot of stuff we had to move, and we've been exploring this house, deep cleaning this house, and we have found a lot of crap in this house, like weird stuff. This is one of. I don't even know. Where'd you find that, man?
In the shelf, man.
Jeez. All right, we'll keep that. Keep looking, Chris. See what else there is in here. It's been a mystery.
Turn the camera off. Turn the camera off.
So earlier today, me and Chris went and picked up the golf cart from the warehouse. And yeah, that was an ordeal. You probably saw that on Instagram. So now, I think we're going to use one of the walls over there to hopefully get the lift gate low enough that we can make it down the step to the step. We don't really know. All I know is it's dark out here.
Definitely need some light.
If anybody owns a street light company, we could really use some street lights, like everywhere out here.
Got it.
That's as far as she cuts. It's only a fancy 16.
I'm coming. Alright.
All I know is I want a lift gate on every single vehicle we have. This thing's made us so lazy we don't even like climb up in the truck anymore. It's kind of a big guy. Alright, right there. If we die together.
Hey.
I don't really think we got an option, dude. We kind of just got to full send it.
Really?
Are you ready?
Wait,
What?
is it gonna hit the top?
Probably. Fuck it, go for it. We did it! Oh shit, tree!
Dude, I thought you said snake, man. Get out of here.
There's no snakes! It says Dmaxryno on the windshield. This is creepy, bro. Like, y'all can't see it on camera, but like all the animals right now are just creeping. Oh, all right, we got one donkey coming up.
What's up, buddy?
The hills have eyes out here. This is sketchy, bro.
Dude,
I don't know if they want us here.
donkey.
So the night is winding down. This is actually going to be our first night spending the night here. Gunner, are you excited, man? You don't even know, buddy. You have no clue. You haven't seen any of the animals. Like, Gunner has gone through and sniffed this entire house. And actually just came outside with Gunner right now. Let's see, I don't like know how many creatures are in this neck of the woods. And I'm not used to this lifestyle, that is for sure. But we came outside to let Gunner go pee in the backyard over here, and like 2 giant toads just jumped out. I'm gonna see if we can find one of these toads. All right, this one's not the biggest one, but there's a toad right there. He had a bigger buddy with him earlier. I don't know. If anybody knows anything about toads, let me know if those boogers are poisonous to dogs. All I know is this place is super creepy at night. But with that, guys, we're gonna wrap up this video. I am eternally grateful and blessed to have you guys along with this journey. You guys are a major part of my life. You're a major part of what pushes us to do all the cool things that we do, and you enable us to do a lot of the cool things that we do. Don't ever think that we forget that. I'm blessed to have your guys' support to live this really cool lifestyle that I get to live, and I'm gonna do my best to continue to provide quality, exciting, entertaining content for you guys. I think Rhino Ranch here is going to enable us to provide even more exciting and cooler content. We've got an absolute ton of ideas for this place. If you guys want to see like the progression of as we start doing big construction projects here and all the cool stuff that we're doing, let me know down in the comment section. I think I might actually either make a separate YouTube channel or put them on this YouTube channel for all the happenings over here at Rhino Ranch. But again, I gotta give you guys a huge thank you. I've had a lot of really, really big life goals, and I didn't think I'd hit them at as early of an age as I have. But, you know, at my age right now, to be buying my dream ginormous property with a big, beautiful house on it as well, like I just can't even fathom that. I can't thank you guys enough. I know I'm just sitting out here enjoying, well, I can't really see a whole lot right now, but this is my first night here. Tomorrow's gonna be weird, crazy. We're gonna introduce Gunner to all the animals, and I will film that as well because I'm kind of curious as to how that's gonna go. Hopefully nobody gets kicked by donkeys. All right, that's like the goal. He heard us talking about him right there. Look at the pups. He don't know what to think, man. He has no clue. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that we do not miss out on this crazy new venture that we're going down. Don't forget to give this video a like, aka thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com, because if there's anything in this life that you want, I think I just said that wrong. It's been a long 3 days. I don't even know. You gotta be willing to work for it. And if there's one thing I can do on this channel, it is hopefully show you guys the value of hard work, the value of saving, the value of investing. I hope some of you guys can take away some stuff from these videos that help you achieve your goals. That is honestly my ultimate goal. And before we get too sappy, I'm gonna wrap up this video. You guys are the best. I'm out.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah.